Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's been so long. I was so lazy, plus I don't know, I was not making any vlogs, but today I'm making because today finally I came for a deputation in Mangalore. So first of all, I just landed and I'm in hotel. So आज का ही आपको मैं hotel का room tour दिखाती हूँ. So let's begin. So first of all, this is me, and then the washroom is this. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. Bathroom is huge, and I'm going to sleep alone. I don't know why they have given me two. So let me show you the view from here. Stay here for 3 days, so I have a pattern from here, and pattern from here means like I have tomorrow. Today is 31 of May, and tomorrow is 1st June. I have a flight that is Mangalore, Kuwait back, and then after the next days I have Dammam and Dammam back. So after that I'll go back to Bangalore. So guys, stay tuned what I'm going to do here. And I feel like in this hotel we don't have any swimming pool and gym, so I don't know what I'm planning to do. No idea. But now I just came, so I'm going to do fresh up, and then I'm going to have a breakfast. I'll show you what breakfast I'm going to have, and just stay tuned, okay? I will show you whatever I can. So bye bye. So guys, I have taken my lunch. What the hell? So guys, I have taken my breakfast अभी. So अभी मैं सोने जा रही हूँ और lunch को आपको मिलते हैं. So breakfast only buffet. Others lunch and dinner we have on room dining. So मैं lunch room पे करूँगी. So I'll show you what I'm gonna have in lunch. फिलहाल मैं सोती हूँ. I have a pimple इतना बड़ा सा, so I have put pimple patch here. So guys, I'm gonna take a nap. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hey guys, अभी just मैं उठी हूँ, and then I have ordered. It's now 2 p.m. and I have ordered this chicken fried rice, and then this pineapple salad, and then this is soup. And I'm watching this Korean drama. So bye bye. Hi guys, so आज I'm still in Mangalore. So आज है मेरा last day here. आज है 3rd of June, and today at night 10 बजे का flight है मेरा Bangalore back. So today I'm gonna have my last meal in Mangalore. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm having. I'm having this chicken something. Was there? I don't know. I forgot the name. And this is cucumber salad. So guys, वही है, and thank you everyone for watching. And I know मैंने बहुत महीने months के बाद वीडियो ब्लॉग बना रही हूँ, but also just wait. What we say, क्या बोलते हैं उनको हिंदी में, सबर का फल मीठा होता है. Yeah. And guys, again that's it for this vlog, and thank you everyone for watching. And guys, और नया vlog आ रहे हैं कुछ interesting, so just wait. And till then, bye, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.